Selamat. Wah, orang sudah beli. First time Philippines ni chamung sai tonggo. Tanggerai tu gue. Rangchak beli kan dam komoro. Borok bang mani. Asyik borok tu bang mah. Sailap kere. Dunia ni borok kayak all over the world. Bang mani babri. Asyik borok bang. Maran ha. Fountain nanya bagai. Dunia ni सारे पृथ्वी ni बर्फ खायो इको बुर्ज खलीफा Fountain Show खाइजा second time Fountain Show खाइना बागै दुनिया ni बर्फ खाइजा wow बुर्ज खलीफा
I will be kwlai. Wah, ay Najibaya, ay Sabaya.
Is this entrance?
Very nice.
The greatest thing.
We're here in Dubai Fountain Show, guys. We have Shingli here. We have Christina. And we enjoy the view, guys.
Berai ki khatung zak tong zak tam ni ke tang Fountain Show nai pa yo Burj Khalifa atu kuri ha ki sum sai tong go berai ki nai thok mane bukha ro phari thang go tam san hai ngi pha yo awo khok bai sa ba ya o tong thong ma no o mo je or five feelings pha yo o onek next level so nor go phai na pe di inda o Burj Khalifa je mighty junai college junai kolok sung sane se junai kolok building or of high.
Whatever she says, true. Do you want to stop?
Tabo no Dubai Fountain Show naik. Clear.
A few moments later.
Mall niyo, kung masaya kolong line. Sa mall joton sa world famous, joton sa world ni biggest nga ba? Joton kaiyo. Nga ba? Sa kan borok wabango.
What Anand told you?
Oh, here's the phone. Oh, he'll come and pick. Tabo thanglai dong kha kaisa jago te kaisa jago. Karama hinai aro thangai.
Enjoy free Wi-Fi in this taxi by connecting to @Wi-Fi UAE from Do.
So you cannot go in Alsif anymore.
Bayar ji sai jago 100 nationality ni country ne. Mane oro city wo Dubai yo 100 ta desh ni borok phai tongja. Ngai oro ni asol je borok kai 35% te bad baki 75 gan ke jo to phata ni borok mansi. Gam ti no oro kai diversity asa kan kaba asa kai no mane bed bau kurai kuno khak lai mane kurai ta os Dubai city wo ke Pakistani prime oro taxi chalong nai gan ke Pakistani mangse. Last time I saw it was pink.
पाकिस्तान को तो मेरा सलाम है क्योंकि
अभी माल हम किधर देता है अफगानिस्तान को अफगानिस्तान से इंडिया उठाता है
हाँ
अच्छा.
ये देखो हमारा सेब है हम जो दुबई जैसा नहीं है हमको इस दरख्तों के लिए टैब बिछाता है जो गर्मी के मौसम में इसको थोड़ा थोड़ा पानी हल्का हल्का जाता है अभी देखो हम ऐसा करते हैं ये अखरोट है हमारा ये तो अनार है अंगूर देखो
Pomegranate.
ये अंगूर ये इंडिया का जो आम है मगर ये पक्का नहीं होता है
अच्छा
हमें तो फिर हम घासों में दवाई डाल के पक्का करता है क्योंकि इसमें एक मसला है कि हमारे इलाके में फिर सर्दी लगता है सर्दी की वजह से गर्मी का चीज़ है सर्दी की वजह से पक्का नहीं होता है
अच्छा
ये अंगूर है
वाओ
अच्छा है.
ये हम खेतों में करते हैं अभी देखो
So let's go and check now because the shop will close. So it's up to you.
Tabo kengke Rangchak dukano phaijak Dubai ni Mark nei kaisa jewelry shop koma Rangchak kaham Chini jong kha Rangchak sumuk kai Rangchak belai kena dam komoro
Ma'am, the ladies one, 1.38. Oh, I want to be the night dog.
Rangchak panyai rang belai kom holo chikon sia nai thok chamo chikon tia isha
Next time, the bigger.
And you can buy pendant later, no? So after dinner, you will go to your World War II. Not only hotel, cheaper and really one big ride.
Neng kakok sana ni ni kiri kia tabuk tam ki tabuk thang tong waseng khang rai sana bagai sini joy sir lang tong waseng no Dubai ni lama nai thok kusung wa himai Wow, no work sa. Ang zak. Mall bisinti habay tanga sila. 서보이야 카메라 있잖아 머니 동네 심리사나 사나 한 동문이 다시 서보일래 쉬워 카메라
Okay.
You know the best one.
All lemon.
Anything else?
That's all for now.
Sunday
Cajun.
Cajun spicy. We have mild, medium, wild spicy.
Which one? Your spicy one?
spicy hi yung spicy boy pa man ka how
Even
what
me, I'm that fast. But today,
wow orange dible
orang na.
Oh.
Bilang ka tini ba?
Oh.
TV mo na.
Kusing ada. Ini live now sama kusing ada
They
tak
wait.
So guys, tonight I would like to introduce to you the so-called Bodil fight. It's like a Filipino dish. We called it Bodil fight because we eat with our bare hands and we are just fighting with the crabs and all this. So I think Mr. Shensha is enjoying a lot.
wow
I'm really,
So we'll
really.
have unlimited rice and unlimited drinks as well. Come on! Let's
first time Philippines ni chamung sai chong go na di joto nom thi bere ri wa bere kan ko thok
Oh, I did.
thang lai
come there. Get in here also. Or later. Just grab it. Inside this, if you want to get, I can answer the one nugget. To remove the some inside.
Macam di ba yung open restaurant Tripura, yung open Filipino version of restaurant. People will get mad over Shingli.
we in India only there is no Philippines I think because I was in Bangalore and we didn't get any this one Filipino restaurant. Hyundai.
Ma'am Leslie, meron ba kayong ano? May pang crack dito or
Hammer.
hammer? You want that?
Yes,
Hammer.
yes.
Okay.
I don't know what is the parang.
The hammer to remove
After all,
shell.
I mean like
Drinks. You also?
Yung ko baka mo yan, no?
rice is
Everything in the
tago.
flood, ah?
Kotor man aja.
actually this is how we
Hangai basu kotor. Sinai basu kotor. Kongman dah kadi bong ni food, moka Philippines ni. First time saya tunggu Philippines ni food.
oh that's it.
Ano mo, fresh like that.
I really love it.
Program. Sing jaga sekai hok jaga Philippines ni khaddo. Philippines ni boleh betkaya siapa?
Dubai ka dyan prima dyan.
Dubai kamu mah tahu Philippines ni boleh. Part of me is a foodie. So for me, traveling is also food is also a part of traveling. So until and unless I don't have something which I haven't eaten before, I don't call it a complete traveling. So today I really completed the traveling tour to Dubai, and all this time I had been having Indian food or something which I have already tried. But this is something unique. Masa ko no masa kasi u bere mani guri mani yes dunia bere mani complete kalayo. Gam sikinyo o masawo nyo santi ke mana op mo kalas ni masa mani.
Explore, keep enjoying, try new things, accept new things and accept new culture, try new food.
Kamu no orang ni dia nanya mani Dubai ni ko kolabot hogo Tripura sai mana Indian sai nyo sai mana Tripura ta mo Indian sai nyo guys not drinks not hogo 7 up pojont hogo
Ilipat ko lang itong ice.
thank you mày bro.
Khẩu na.
Bốc như mày bro market quality cả hắm. Em biết fry ra.
Bốc như mày rồi.
Bốc như mày hả?
Alright.
Và tôi đã tô cùng.
It's a carpenter.
Khang cái tô cùng egg.
Shingli, the crab
Peggy jadi đi cơ.
My successor.
Khang cái tô cùng. Okay, everything is stepped down only now. What will you eat there?
Alright guys, I don't know if they are mad. Right? They are. Guys, I don't know what happened. They murder all of these crabs and mussels. And they become a desert land, you know? They become desert safari after eating. This becomes a carpenter, both of them. Okay, they kill the crabs, double dead. Maraming salamat po. They kill all the crabs. Nothing left. Even the baby's crab. They enjoy it. Thank you guys.
Mai sa ba kya? Tao no sa ba kya? Mai sa ba kya? Lipstick ro kap thang ba kya? Bo ka first time asa opro imasa wo. Bayo tam ke always doti ngong ma hotel lok kan ke. Mas masa yang ni chago. Tao kan ke Joey sir by Tunija phagya ro. Kasa jagawo. Ketir rok panya bagai families sini nogo family ni bagai tabung ngangke manai ketir rok panya ni bagai thaikia kasa mart do supermarket do noh ngangke Dubai ni flag UAE ni boni raza botoro boni raza Dubai ni raza
Silakan masuk lah.
Iko khazur banyak aja don cai
George mata.
Dubai yang ke famous kan ke palm ke khazur okay nah gini khazur tu engkau zat sepeda dah sih khazur okay orang pelang naik sama Pula sam với phải lang nhỉ.
Là nong gift Raymond á, sararak no.
Asukda like that.
Mami, tuma matang. Metro ni matang go. 7 star ni matang go. Burj Khalifa screen le saro. Go le.
Yeah, so.
Burj Khalifa matang go. Atlantis Hotel matang go. Dubai frame matang mas lang.
Ông buat Atlantis tang go.
Putla ka setting Tong lagi na. Putla. Yang baru soy tu isa. Hah? और सामखाने रक जत न बांग्लादेश निमांग से खांग्राय जे जा खांग्राय नों खारमाया दुबई वो खारमाया खांग्राय
In dead ni matang. Sus kata nak kan.
मन खन स्टेटमेंट दिखाई करो दुकान शॉपिंग खाते खाते कटमा हेड मान लिखा कटमा हेड परलामनी
With cashew, almonds.
Tabo kai siang shopping khai kya kisha kati rock days baksa gift rock Sir, you're also going?
Yeah, I will finish the service.
Wow, finish the service for okay kaham kai sung no
So next time if you want to visit Dubai or any other parts in Southeast Asia, along Asia, you know, contact Mr. Joey and his travel agency. Bro, please tell me your website.
We check to bless.
We track to bless. You
follow
must
the
follow.
Facebook page.
You can follow it on Facebook.
Bro, Joy.
You can follow it on
Send me the
Instagram.
page link and on Instagram, Facebook, I'll promote.
Yeah.
Hello?
Hello,
Yes?
Christina?
Correct?
Oh, Pakistan.
Oh, fantastic Pakistan, yeah?
I love
So, to Dubai ni taxi o sa lang na ka Pakistan magse. Fifth night in Dubai. Dubai ase
I didn't expect this to see
Like
Dubai.
local hero.
India ni local goli hai to. Exact.
I'm pretty sure that this guy's an Indian.
Obviously,
Oh Prabhu.
Oh.
he's an Indian.
Gira dia.
South Indian.
So yeah. Order.
Sini hotel ATM orang decline nya nai coba. Labo ketika decline sini. Sini ATM hanya.
Indian, like, just get stuck. Eh.
Ini kita machine ke baik ke sana saya grab ke. Masuk.
Alright guys, what you can say tonight? Now it's 1 o'clock, right? 1:20.
And
All thanks to our brother Joy.
we had so much fun.
Yeah.
We had so much fun. We went to Atlantis. We went to see the Dubai Fountain Show,
Dubai Mall.
Burj Khalifa Fountain Show, and Dubai Mall, and where else? And so many places.
The crab show.
And Gold Show.
And we also tried Philippine cuisine.
yeah, it
Which
was
is
so much,
the crab.
so much
What was
yum.
it? Bullfight?
Boodle fight.
Boodle
Fight.
fights.
'Cause we fight out there.
Yes. And
And it
big,
was
big
really great.
crabs and big, big
We
prawns.
became carpenter too.
Yes.
One of us for the first time. So it was really great. All thanks to our brother Joey. You know, if you want to have the same experience in Dubai, you must go check out the
We trek to bless.
WeTrackToBless.com. You know, I'm still not used to it because we are directly connected with the guy in charge. So if you want to get the full experience, you must go WeTrackToBless, and this amazing guy will bless your whole entire trip. Not only in Dubai, but anywhere in the world, especially in Southeast Asia, Philippines. You want to have the great experience, be with this guy. You want to have food, you want to have joy, you want to have fun, and the list goes on. So that is all, you know, all I can say. The experience is great.
Thank you guys for spending with us as well. And yes, we may enjoy your flight tomorrow.
Signing out.